Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your daily tasks with Dola AI in 2026. Dola AI can help you organize everyday tasks by allowing you to describe what you need to do using simple natural language messages. Instead of keeping everything in your head or switching between different apps, you can use Dola to organize important tasks alongside your schedule. First, open Dola AI and make sure your calendar is connected. Then, think about the tasks you need to complete during the day. For example, you can send a message like, "Remind me to finish the project report today at 5 p.m." Dola can understand the task and the requested time and help you organize it. You can also add multiple tasks throughout the day. For example, you might say, "Remind me to call the client at 10 a.m., review emails at 1 p.m., and finish the presentation at 4 p.m." Breaking your day into smaller tasks can make your schedule easier to manage. Another useful approach is to combine tasks with calendar events. You can schedule meetings, appointments, and personal activities while also keeping track of important things you need to complete. If your plans change, you can update your tasks by sending another message. For example, if you need more time, you can ask Dola to move a reminder to a later time.